How to open Riyad Bank account online. To open Riyad Bank account online, simply launch the Riyad Bank application on your device. So in my case, just go ahead and then launch the mobile application first. Once done, tap on the Join Us button. Right here it says open a new account or register for digital banking. Before you start, make sure you are 18 years or older, have an active Absher account, have a registered national address except for visitor ID holders, have mobile number linked to Nafath. Then enter your national ID, Iqama or visitor ID, followed by your mobile number and the email address you'd like to use, then tap the confirm button. On the next page, you have to fill out a couple of forms according to your legal details and also provide a document for verification. Once it has been approved, your bank account will be successfully created. That way you can register Riyad Bank app. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.